What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Editing this video, I realized I didn't record an intro or an outro for the old one. So I want to say welcome back. I appreciate you stopping by. Let's get started on this here motor teardown. My buddy's 2002 Chevy Blazer.
I'm gonna try to do something like that.
Yeah, and just hold it out of the way. I gotta hold it.
Hold it right there. I think I got some zip ties.
Zip ties, working some magic.
Okay, so we're just gonna reuse this one.
Is that possible, sir?
Reuse a zip tie? You don't know how to. Oh,
I've
God.
never in my life. This guy's about to reuse the zip tie. Never in my life
God,
seen
dude.
someone reuse it. I didn't see this mechanism. So how you doing it? Let me see.
Look, it's got the little tip.
Hold on,
You
let me-
just
Okay, so you press that down.
no, you go under it, and then if you would do the honors of pulling the string out.
Like that?
No, not that way. That's how you tighten it. Pull
you
it
want
from
me to do?
here out.
Oh, pull it this way?
Yeah. Hold
Let me
on.
see.
Go.
I'm not pulling anything. What are you doing?
Oh God.
Okay.
We're gonna move it to right here. Oh, I tightened
You just
it.
tightened it. This guy tightened it. Oh shit, okay. That's crazy, huh? I never knew that was a fucking thing, but apparently you could reuse zip ties.
And we're just gonna put it here, and I'm gonna literally,
You gotta cut it, right?
no,
Like a normal person.
when I'm done, it will be put right back on that handle.
And it fucking holds. Like, all we need to remove is this valve cover and place the gasket underneath it and do the same thing to the other side. So. Oil and water.
Doesn't mix.
They don't go together. They don't go together very well. Okay, short intermission. I'm gonna charge my phone a little bit so it doesn't fucking die. Man's gonna call his dad. We'll be back. So we're back outside. Did a little bit of outfit change. I didn't want to get dirty, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up the valve covers. We're gonna put the new gaskets on and button it back up. Do the oil change. So we're gonna go under here for the oil change. What? What, over here? Yeah, I know. I'm fucking smart. There we go. Got her loose. Let's give her a little turn to see. Turn. And hand loose now. There we go. Ooh, that doesn't look good at all. That does not look good, sir. But she's draining. There's the bolt. Yeah. I'm done though. Look at that, there's the bolt. Yay! What the fuck? What are you in this neighborhood for?
Come to the house.
Oh. Can't tell what's happening. But I don't know if you can see over there. Alright, in that area. That's what all that noise is at. Yeah, annoying.
All right, that's one side.
That side is Dunzo. No. So no more recording. We're gonna fix it and put everything back together, and it's gonna be done. And we're gonna drive it because that's what we do.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
We drive vehicles. We're gonna go and do donuts. Probably right here in this one spot. Spin around, you know. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Follow my Instagram at BrianChris_. I'll put it up here. But yeah, peace out.